guys, I very quickly want to do a video walkthrough for Summer Bridge Week 3. We are continuing this week with rational numbers, and they will be June 8th through June 11th. Okay, remember that office hours are Monday through Thursday from 10:30 to 11:30. Office hours are for questions about Imagine Math, pacing, extra resources, things like that. Live lessons, live video lessons will happen 2 to 3 times a week. These will be on the weekly calendar. This week's live lessons are Tuesday and Thursday at 10 a.m. Live lessons will follow the scope and sequence, and the scope and sequence has been attached. Office hours and live lessons are encouraged but not required. Summer Bridge is self-paced. You can work ahead, but please use office hours for questions. And remember that Google Classroom is used for additional help and resources like what we're currently watching right now. But successful completion of the Imagine Math pathway will determine placement in 6th grade APA. Each lesson can only be completed 2 times. If you fail a lesson, please attend a live lesson or an office hour before attempting the lesson again. And remember that you must make a 70% to pass each lesson. All right, there are 8 lessons in Imagine Math for weeks 2 and 3. Last week it was suggested that you work on the first 5 lessons. Rational numbers is the topic for both weeks. If you did not complete last week's Imagine Math lessons, you will need to complete all of the lessons this week. So those 5 plus these 3 to stay on track. Week 3, we are working on rational numbers, as we've already mentioned. We're talking about order of operations with exponents. And the corresponding Imagine Math lessons for week 3 are understanding exponents, evaluating expressions and equations with exponents, and identifying and generating equivalent expressions. All right, this is the suggested calendar. In my experience, our incoming 6th grade students kind of need a little bit more support with pacing and just keeping themselves on the right track, so we wanted to present one for you. This is by no means means you have to work this way. It's just a suggestion from us. All right, so again, this is the suggested calendar. We have office hours every day from 10:30 to 11:30, Monday through Thursday. Remember that on Fridays, Mrs. Brown is off, but she will try to get back to you as fast as she can on email or on Google Classroom messages. We have live lessons at 10 o'clock on Tuesday and Thursday, and we have 1 Imagine Math lesson per day, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, using Thursday to make sure that all your Imagine Math lessons are complete or to get ahead for the following week, because we will have that information posted for you. Remember that you are using the code RMJH6Bridge, and we use that for office hours and live lessons. All right, so order of operations. The live lessons this week will come from this topic, from the following, from 6.7a and 6.7c. You are going to watch the videos on the next few slides. Complete the next 3 Imagine Math lessons, understanding exponents, evaluating expressions and equations with exponents, and identifying and generating equivalent expressions. On the next few slides, you will see all of the different videos that we have available for you to help with that. Okay, remember that I am checking your pathway progress in Imagine Math every Thursday. I just am looking to see if you're working within the program, how many lessons you're completing, if you're on pace to complete everything by June 30th. If you are not working, I'm going to contact you and your parents and see kind of what's going on, see what I can do to help. Remember, please try and stay on pace or ahead of the class. This will ensure that you complete the pathway on time. All right, and remember that the pathway needs to be completed by June the 30th. There are 20 lessons, and successful completion of the pathway will determine your placement in a 6th grade APA math class next year. I am here to support you in any way that I can. Please come to office hours, live lessons, ask me questions on email or private messages if I can help you, okay? Good luck this week.